9.3, talking about graphing data. We're going to go down for our examples, down just to share and show right now. Okay, so we're going to look at how we graph data. You see the problem example we're going to use here is Ryan's height. So this is actually not Ryan's height, it's just someone named Ryan, just in case you're wondering. So we want to write the ordered pairs for this. And so how do we write ordered pairs of a data line? We're going to take the top number as the X number, and then the bottom number in the table is the Y. So let's write, our first part would be here to write out our ordered pairs. So write with our parentheses in it. And I'm going to do a couple, then after you see, I'll give you guys a second to do yours. So think about what would be the first one. Just write them out real quick. There's 5 of them. Put one more thing here. And I want you guys, as I'm getting set up here, to write them out. Right. So the first one, 130. Second one, 235, right? You see that? 130, 235. Then you can keep going on your own, right? 338, 441, and 544, right? So those are ordered pairs. Now we know how to graph and how we're going to graph it. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and to graph the ordered pairs. Make a graph and do that real quick here. Graph the ordered pairs. Okay. So I'll start with the first one, right? X and Y axis. It tells us down here too, if you were unsure, what was what? Age in years, height in inches, X and Y axis. So the first one, 130. Okay, that's the first point. Now I'm going to go over 235. And so there isn't a number, but we see that line there, that's 35 right there. 338, well, we're going to have to kind of guess what that is, right in that area, close to 40. 441, we're going to go a little bit above the line right there. And then we're going to go 544, so 5, and so we know that that's 45, and a little bit below that line there. Okay, so that's our number line. And then we can go ahead and we can connect that to show that Ryan's getting taller the older he gets. Okay, so let's go to question 2. What does the ordered pair 338 tell you about Ryan's age and height? Well, think about that. Look at our number line. What's happening? As Ryan gets older, right, he's getting taller. So wouldn't that be what it's telling us? That Ryan's older he gets. The older he is, the taller he gets. It also tells us that at 3 years old, and 30 inches, that's how tall he is. He's 38 inches tall at 3 years old. Okay. And then 3. Why would the point 642 be nonsense? So let's put that on there. What is 642, and why would it be nonsense? So 6, right? And then 42 is right down there. Look at that. Oops. Right? Why is that nonsense? And you guys are probably like yelling at me, Mr. Duport, it's because he got shorter, he shrunk, right? It would mean he shrunk. And we just know that's not true. Ryan did not shrink at age 5. Okay. So let's try this again. I want you guys to do the problem-solving application. Not only want you to do the practice, is to graph the ordered pairs. And then draw, we can just practice graphing ordered pairs. So let's go ahead and do that. On your own, hit pause and do that. And then here are your answers so that after you've paused, you can do your work. So we see here that they create the ordered pairs for us, but how do we do that? It says that the x-axis is time, and so here's our time. Our y-axis is depth. So that's how we do ordered pairs. So our first ordered pair here is 1, 7. So we'll go x, axis is 1, And then we'll go up to 7. And so there's no 7, but it's in between 6 and 8. Okay, and then 2, 8. So 2, then 8. Then 3, 10. 4, 12. And finally 5, 15. So there you go. That's how we ordered the pairs. That's how we go ahead and graphing. This isn't asking us to connect it right now, create a line graph, but that's how you plot those pairs. Good luck on your assignment. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Peace.